Here's another acting and modeling tip for me, Aaron Marcus. Yeah, I just finished doing an online audition, and as you can see, I've got a very specific kind of wardrobe on and a very specific look. It's a little bit different than my normal look. Um, but it reminded me of something that I really want to share with you that I think will be really helpful. So I took a workshop with actually there were two casting directors, and I had an opportunity to ask both of them a couple of questions. One is a casting director in LA. He does mostly commercials. The other is a casting director on the East Coast. He does mostly film and TV. And so I was just, trying to get a general gauge. When somebody posts information about an audition for a commercial, especially like in LA, how many people are submitted, either individually, by themselves, self-submit, or through an agent? You ready for this? It's anywhere between 12 and 1,400 people per role for a commercial. And what this casting director does, he narrows it down after looking at all the headshots and resumes, and he might have about 40 people audition, and then he brings in a handful for callbacks. Now, for the casting director on the East Coast, typically he said that for any role that he posts, he will get about 500 submissions. And out of those 500, he also will have about 30 to 40 people audition online. And then after that, he will bring in 3 to 4 people for callbacks. And what it just, it made me think about is the fact that when you get an audition, you should be thrilled. That's winning. Getting the audition is what it's all about. I mean, booking the job, that's completely out of your control. But just the fact that you were brought in to, whether it's a home audition, whether you're brought in for a live audition with the casting director, in either case, you should be so excited just for the opportunity to audition. So anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this on Facebook, like it. If you have any thoughts about auditions, please post them at the bottom here, or leave a note on my facebook.com/how to model page, and feel free to forward this to all of your social media friends. Let them know. I'm sure there are tons of people who would love to learn more about auditions, and really how fortunate you are when you get an opportunity to audition for a casting director. I'm Aaron Marcus, and I look forward to talking with you again soon.